Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will be explaining about the two material, computers and malicious program. Okay, let's go to the first presentation. But before I get into the material, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Rezqiana Chantika Ramadhani. Student ID number 63241069 from the Accounting Information System program. Okay, next slide. Now, let's move directly to the material. The definition of computer. A computer is an electronic device that can be used to process data according to predetermined procedures, resulting in useful information for the user. Next, let's discuss the functions and benefits of computers. First, data processing. Computers can process large amounts of data quickly and accurately. Second, communication. Computers enable us to communicate worldwide through email, video calls, and social media. Next, data storage. Computers allow us to store and organize vast amounts of information. Graphics and multimedia processing. Computers can process image, videos, and audio for various purposes. The last one, modeling and simulation. Computers help visualize complex processes or predict outcomes in various fields. There are several types of computers that we commonly use. PC or personal computer, general purpose computers designed for individual use. Macintosh or Mac, computers manufactured by Apple Inc. with their own operating system. Desktop computer, stationary computers typically consisting of a monitor, system unit, keyboard, and mouse. Next, laptop, portable computers that integrate all components into a single unit. Tablet, mobile computers with touch screens as their primary input method. Server computer, powerful computer designed to provide services to other computers on a network. Embedded computer, special purpose computers built into other devices like appliances or vehicles. A computer consists of three main elements: hardware, software, and brainware. Hardware consists of components such as the processor, RAM, hard disk, motherboard, and CPU. These are physical parts you can touch and see. Software. Software includes the operating system and various applications installed on the hardware which function according to the user's commands. This is the set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do. 3. Brainware refers to the user or computer operator who operates and utilizes the computer. The human element is essential for giving commands and interpreting results. Let's examine the components of a computer more specifically. First, input device, a tool that lets you give data or commands to the computer. Examples include keyboard, mice, scanners, and microphones. 2. Processing device, the part of the computer that handles and works on the data. The CPU is the main processing component. 3. Output device, a tool that shows or plays the result of the computer's work. These include monitors, printers, and speakers. 4. Storage device, a tool that keeps data safe so it can be used later. This includes hard drives, SSDs, USB drives, and memory cards. Computers have become essential in various aspects of modern life. for education, business, entertainment, and science. For education, computers facilitate learning, research, and data processing, making education more accessible and efficient. 2. For business, computers aid in business management, communication, and process automation, improving productivity and enabling global operations. For entertainment, computers enable access to media, gaming, and social interaction, providing diverse entertainment options. For science, computers support research, data analysis, and technological development, accelerating scientific discoveries and innovations. Concludes my presentation on computers, and next to the second material. Okay, now I will explain the second material, which is malicious programs. Malicious program is a computer program designed to perform harmful actions on a computer system or network. Malware can damage, modify, or steal data, as well as disrupt system performance. Types include virus, worm, Trojan horse, spyware, adware, and more. Let's discuss the significant impacts of malware. First, theft or personal or corporate data. Sensitive information can be stolen and misused. 2. Damage to operating systems and important files. Malware can corrupt or delete essential system files. Unauthorized access to networks. Attackers can gain access to secure networks through malware. Financial loss or reputation damage. Companies and individuals may suffer monetary losses or damage credibility. Hack social media or email accounts. Personal accounts can be compromised and used for malicious purposes. Virus. A virus is a type of malware that attacks itself to files or programs and becomes active only when the infected file is executed by the user. Example, macroviruses in Word or Excel documents that activate when the file is opened. These viruses can then replicate and spread to other files. Worm. A worm is a malware that can replicate itself and spread across networks without any user action. Example, the I love you worm, which spread through email and caused global damage. Unlike viruses, worms don't need to attack to existing files and can spread autonomously. Trojan horse. A Trojan horse is malware disguised as legitimate software or files but contains harmful code. Example, a fake installer that looks like a popular game or app but install malware instead. Users think they're getting something useful, but they're actually inviting harmful software onto their systems. Spyware is a malware that secretly collects information about a user without their consent. Example, a keylogger that records every keystroke to capture login credentials. This type of malware operates silently in the background, gathering sensitive data for malicious purposes. Here are effective ways to prevent malware infections. First, use antivirus and firewall software. This provides essential protection against virus threats. Avoid clicking suspicious links. Be cautious about links in emails, messages, or unfamiliar websites. Regularly update your system and apps. Updates often include security patches for known vulnerabilities. Use strong and unique passwords. This helps prevent unauthorized access to your accounts. Be cautious when downloading files or software from the internet. Only download from trusted sources. Thank you for your attention. This concludes my presentation on malicious programs and computer. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.